So I've got the panel clamped in place along the seam, and then I've used Clecos to hold it in place. It was a bit springy, but it pushed in place because the guard is a little bit distorted, but overall not too bad. So what I'm going to do is go through and I'll cut around the perimeter with the angle grinder and remove that part. I'm going to come in a bit shy in the first place. I don't think I'll come right the way out to the door jamb here. I'm going to pop it off again and have a look, but I think the metal might be okay on the door jamb. I'd prefer not to work right up to the seam if I can and keep it underneath the guard. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll pop it back off again, have a look, make a decision, and then I'll cut it. The only reason I'm cutting it off completely and removing it is so that I can get to the inner guard part. Often I'll do what's called cut and butt, where cut a section, weld it in place, cut a section, weld it in place, and then remove the part from the back. Having said that, it'd be a bit hard to remove the part from the back doing this, so this is probably the only way to do it. Anyway, I'll get cutting.